Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your notifications with Airtable, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your notifications in Airtable, begin by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base where you want to adjust your notifications. Once inside the base, look for the notifications option in the top menu. Click on the Notifications tab to access your current settings. Here, you'll see a list of all your active notification rules. To reset a specific notification, find the one you wish to change. Click on the three-dot icon next to the notification for more options. Select Edit from the drop-down menu to modify the notification settings. Adjust the triggers and conditions as needed to tailor your notifications. If you want to delete old notifications, select the three-dot icon and choose Delete. To add a new notification, click on the Add Notification button. Follow the prompts to set up your new notification criteria. Once you've made all your adjustments, ensure to save your changes. Check the notification settings regularly to keep them updated. You can also test your notifications by performing actions that should trigger them. This will help confirm that your new settings are working correctly. With these steps, you've successfully reset your notifications in Airtable. Now you can enjoy a more customized notification experience tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.